Boy, it is a soggy Thursday morning, to say the least. Just in time for as many are heading off to work this morning. We are seeing very heavy rainfall. You can see it now falling here in Allen County, Putnam County, really a good part of the area now seeing very heavy rainfall. And again, this rain will be with us all day. It will come in kind of waves here where we'll see the rain try to at least lighten up a little bit later this morning, early afternoon, before a heavier surge arrives again later on today. So just looking at the amount of moisture, again, this is not good news because we already have flooding issues. Already a lot of standing water from all the snow melt yesterday. There's a frozen layer underneath the topsoil, and that water just can't percolate down into the ground, so it just runs off. We get a lot of flooding, and as we continue to just throw a lot of water in a short time, you see rainfall totals here of about close to 1.5 inches in many areas today. We could be looking at flooding issues developing. So again, please keep that in mind. There'll be a lot of ponding of water on the roads. So again, you just want to be careful out there today if you are traveling and avoid flooded roads. Timeline shows rain showers from now to 4 p.m. There would be a bit of a lull around midday. So that's at least a little bit of good news where the rain will try to lighten up a little bit. But then after 4 p.m., we're looking at those temperatures crashing, freezing rain developing. Road conditions will become icy this evening, especially after sunset, as the pavement temperatures will cool as we go further on with time, and mixing in some sleet as well. And then after 9 p.m. we start to see more in the way of a snow chance. I do think we'll all get some light snow on the backside of this, and many of us here will be seeing about 1 to 2 inches of snow on top of the ice. So a recipe for some real travel headaches out there this evening and tonight. So the rain is with us heavy this morning. That's one round coming through, as you can see. But then we get a bit of a lull after about 10 a.m. where it's just lighter rain as we go throughout the middle of the day. And then as that low pressure system starts to move in, we'll see a heavier surge once again as we go through the afternoon. But look at the temperatures. By 4 p.m. it's 33. We're getting awfully close here to that freezing mark. So again, the earlier you can get home today, the better, because after about 5 p.m. we're really going to start to be concerned here with that freezing rain becoming more of an issue area wide. Here 6 p.m. we're below freezing. Freezing rain falling, an icy glaze likely developing on surfaces, and a little bit of sleet could be in the mix as well. We start to see snow in our far northwest areas around Defiance, but notice by 9 p.m. that snow starts to expand area wide, and as we go through the night, we'll see that snow taper by 2 a.m. We're looking at 1 to 2 inches of snow potential in Lima, and then we have a potential for 2 to 3 inches kind of along and north of 24 there from Ottawa to Van Wert, and then we have about 3 to 6 from Paulding to Defiance. So there'll be a big difference in snow totals, and as you go south, we're looking at very little in the way of snow. But again, an icy glaze up to around 1/10 of an inch is expected with this system. And then finally, tomorrow we can breathe a sigh of relief. We will see some sunshine returning, and that should at least help some of those road conditions. But by Friday night, we're going to have another cold front come in. So we're actually going to see a dip of colder weather on Saturday. It looks like some gusty winds as well. So it'll be a cold start to the weekend, but it's going to end on a much different note here. Look at your 7-day forecast. We go from 28 on Friday, 23 Saturday, and then 48 by Sunday, 54 on Monday. So again, we just have to get through today. We do watch out for flooding throughout the day and then those icy road conditions this evening.